Tire Penz, how long do they last? Good question. What's up everyone? My name's Deone. I'm an automotive vlogger and I work on my truck, my SUV, my project car, my secret sports car when I get it, my girlfriend's car, and my motorcycle. 1 year ago I made a video about Tire Penz that went pretty big. So what we're doing is we're revisiting Rogue and the Tire Penz. For those of you that don't know, this is Rogue. She's my baby. Sorry, Lana. She's a little beat up right now, but one day I want to make her into like a stunt bike or something like that. I think that'd be pretty cool. Anyways, they make this awesome product that works on cars, trucks, bikes, anything with rubber tires, and it's called a tire pen. In this video, I'll be doing a very brief explanation as to what and how to use a tire pen kit. And specifically, the question that I'm targeting is how long does this paint last? A typical tire pen kit, like such, that you'd normally get, will come with a very light stainless steel brush, this guy. It'll also come with a paint pen. Now one of these kits vary in price quite a bit because it seems to be that the only place you can actually find them on is eBay. Typically the range will go from either 20 bucks to 45 bucks Canadian. I know that's expensive. If the price is a concern though, stick around. I do have something else to say about that. Now some of the alternatives to tire pens that are a little bit cheaper that I'll be talking about later in the video will not actually come with a stainless steel little brush like such. Don't worry, because you can almost go to any store and you should be able to find at least a full kit. Not to say that you need a full kit, but all you need is the stainless steel one with the silver tips. I felt that was necessary. Now in case you're wanting, I will actually attach my original Tire Penz video right up in the corner there. Reason being is because it's a full walkthrough from start to end of me basically applying the tire paint. So if you have any questions, you know, I'm gonna be giving tips and tricks and stuff like that. It is quite an older video of mine, I will stress, so just be aware of that. Reason why I mentioned that is because I'm gonna be quickly going over and basically simplifying the video in about 5 seconds. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Scrub it, paint it, chill out.
It's root beer.
Now the question is, how long does this paint last? And I'm gonna be real, you know, it depends. The thing about that question is it's such an open-ended question because there's so many variables. Quality prep makes quality outcome. If you guys haven't checked out that video that I tagged earlier up in the top corner there, I'll link it in the description if you guys want to check it out after. But the thing is, in that video you can see that I spent hours just completely scraping out every nook and cranny in that tire. Every single tread was as clean as it gets. And so with that being said, if you put in the prep work, I'm sure it'll come out fine. It'll last for a long time and I'll actually show you how long it can last if you do it properly. But if you skip corners, if you don't take the time to actually clean it, like clean out all the grooves and stuff that you plan on painting, it's not gonna last. I'm telling you that right now. So you guys finally ready? That video I made was posted a year ago when I applied the paint, but I made it 3 years ago. So this paint has been on this tire for 3 years. I've cleaned it up a little bit so it's easier to see actually the amount of paint that's still left on it, but this is what it looks like. So this is what a 3-year-old tire looks like with Tire Penz on. You can see it looks pretty clean, the color's still vibrant. That's the first thing you'll probably notice is the color stands out quite well. Now when I did this, I didn't use a white and then a black. I anticipate that if you used a white and then a black, that these treads would stand out just a lot more, but that's kind of just a guess. The second thing that you'll notice is the paint doesn't actually look like it's flaking off or anything. It's actually staying inside the grooves fairly well. Now the third thing you'll notice if you look on the side of the tire is I don't have any chicken strips. As far as tire lettering goes, it has held up. Obviously it's not really getting worn down by anything. It's not landing on pavement by any means. So these guys still look perfectly fine. I would say that they look pretty much exactly like the first day that I did them, except a little bit softer maybe on the color. So as you can see, the Tire Penz are holding up amazingly. Colors are still vibrant, it's not chunking, you know, you can't really complain. It looks great. So the last thing that I want to say before you guys head out is the last thing I want is for you guys to waste your time or money installing this product if it sucks. So what I'm intending on doing is, as you saw, I have another tire right over there. This bad boy right here. And my intention is that I'm going to use these very, very cheap paint pens that I got off AliExpress for $1.50 each. Keep in mind, to get one of these, it ranges from 20 to 45 bucks. So if you guys find value in figuring out whether this is a big waste of time or if it can save you a few bucks, as well as how long it potentially lasts on the tire if it comes off immediately, the quality of the product, so on and so forth, I'd encourage you guys to subscribe just so that way you can be notified when it does come out. Make sure to hit the bell icon if you do, so that way you will actually be notified. I do tons of stuff on the channel, so I'm sure you could find a few videos that you would enjoy. Shout out to Howard Miller, my most recent subscriber. He actually reminded me to make this video for you guys, so appreciate it, man. Be like Howard, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I'd appreciate it. Stay safe and have a good one. I'm gonna sneeze. Jesus, I'm so sorry.